All right, so y'all, this is number 4 out of the review for the final. And it says the mean value of land and buildings per acre from a sample of farms is 1,600 with a standard deviation of 300. The data set has the bell-shaped distribution. Assume the number on the farms in the sample is 76. And it says use the empirical rule to estimate the number of farms whose land and building values per acre are between 1,000 and 2,200. All right, so it's telling me to use the empirical rule, okay? So guys, all I did is I got my formula sheet for the final exam, and I'm just looking at this part right here. This is what I'm going to use. This is the empirical rule. This is going to help me do my problem, okay? So I want you to just remind you, my mean is going to go right here. Here's my X bar, and then we're adding our standard deviations, and we're subtracting our standard deviations from that value, okay? So I'm going to draw a picture, right? And here's my normal curve, okay? And we have the mean value being 1,600, okay? And then what we're going to do, we're going to start adding 300. So this is going to be 1,900. This is going to be 2,200. This is going to be 2,500, okay? And then we're going to start subtracting those values. So if I start subtracting 300, this will be 1,300. This will be 1,000. And this will be 700. Okay, oops, 700, not 7,000. All right. Okay, so here we go. All right, so we're looking for values between 1,000 and 2,200. So between here and here, okay? And so here is my mean, and then we're going 2 deviations to the right and 2 deviations to the left, right? So when I look at my picture here, I'm going to go 34 and 34 and 13 and a half and 13 and a half, okay? So this is 34%, this is 13.5, this is 34%, this is 13.5. These are all percentages, y'all. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to add those percentages up together. So let me clear this out. So I have 34 plus 34 plus 13.5, oops, plus another 13.5, okay? So that's 95%, okay? So I come back here, 95%, all right? So remember, how do I write 95% as a decimal? It's 0.95. And we're going to multiply by the number of farms, which in this case is 76. So I'm going to grab my calculator one more time, 0.95 times 76. I'm coming up with 72.2. So right here, I would just put 72 because this is round to the nearest whole number. So 72 would be my answer. And if you guys don't believe me, I can come back over here. And let's see, 72. And am I telling you the truth? Let's hopefully that I am. Boom, I was telling you the truth. All right, there we go. Okay, so that's number 4 out of the review. I hope this helps. If y'all got any questions, just let me know.